Windows 11 version 25H2 is here. There's hype. But also questions. Should you upgrade? Let me break it down fast, so you can decide in under 3 minutes. First, what is 25H2? It's the annual feature update for Windows 11, landing in the second half of 2025. It's not a big visual overhaul. It shares the same core platform as 24H2. If you're already on 24H2, Microsoft ships this as an enablement package. Basically a quick switch, no full reinstall. Okay, what actually changed? There aren't major headline features exclusive to 25H2. A lot of stuff either arrived with 24H2 or will roll out gradually after. But under the hood, there's real work. Better driver management, performance tuning, faster installs and fewer surprise reboots, improved security telemetry and diagnostics. Also, some legacy pieces are gone. Windows PowerShell 2.0 and the WMIC command line tool is removed. If you rely on those, plan alternatives before upgrading. And here's a practical perk. Once you move to 25H2, your support clock resets. You're on the latest servicing branch with a fresh support window. Availability? Preview builds hit the release preview channel first, and general availability started rolling out around September 30th, 2025. If you're on Windows 11 24H2, open Settings. Go to Windows Update, look for the optional update. Because it's an enablement package, it's usually quicker than a full feature upgrade. If you're on Windows 10 or an older Windows 11, expect a more typical, longer feature upgrade. So, should you upgrade now? Upgrade now if you're already on 24H2 and want the latest servicing branch. Smoother future updates and those background improvements. Also upgrade if you value resetting your support timeline. Maybe wait if your PC is mission critical and you prefer to let early bugs get ironed out. Phased rollouts are normal, and there's no massive new UI you're missing on day one. Quick checklist before you click install. Back up your files, plug in your laptop, free up storage, update drivers. If you use PowerShell 2.0, test your scripts on supported tools. If you use WMIC, test your scripts on supported tools. My take, 25H2 is a refinement update. It's about stability, performance, and servicing, not flashy features. If you're on 24H2, it's an easy, safe move that sets you up well for the next cycle. If you want to wait a few weeks for maximum stability, that's totally reasonable too. I can check what's new in your region, like India, plus known issues, and a step-by-step upgrade guide tailored for you. Drop a comment with your current Windows version, and I'll follow up. Hit update when you're ready, and enjoy the quieter, smoother Windows experience.